Okay, I'm just going to show the Pallet Buster working since I put the bolts in it. As you can see, even though there's breaks in the board, the Pallet Buster actually works pretty good. I'm not only using one arm here, and it pops them pretty good. As you can see, this board is pretty well broke. I don't even know if I'll use that, but I've got to separate it anyway. So well, I guess it was pretty. Yeah, unfortunately, these boards aren't the best, but I guess they're just going to be used as siding. I'll just grab the best ones, obviously, first, and go from that, and then just. But as you can see, I'm holding the phone with one hand, and I can pop them quite easily. It's about 4 feet, and you figure the physics behind it. You have 4-foot leverage on probably 6 inches, so you have quite a bit of leverage. It's not hard at all to pop these things using this anyway. As you can see, you can just walk through it pretty quick.